You're watching Fabrico, and today we're going to sew Charlize's dress. The famous film star Charlize Theron inspires our designer. Charlize's dress features a maxi length, a gathered seam, and a large cut in the lower part. The fitted bag has an invisible zipper and waist darts. You can load the pattern following the link below this video. Let's get sewing! You will need patterns, fabric, tape interfacing, invisible zipper, lining, threads to match the color, and supplies. We've chosen flowing knit fabric for the dress and it tends to curl around the edges. To stabilize the edge of the cut allowance, we interface it with the tape. Then, we overlock the edges. The next step is making our gathering detail on the right. To do this, we must stitch two lines from the beginning of the gathered seam to the notch that we have in the end. Now take two threads and pull it. Stitch the central front with the side panel until you reach the beginning of the cut. Press the allowance to the side panel. Overlock to the end of the gathered seam and press on the side panel. Then press the seam allowance on the top. Press the cut allowances too. Top stitch the cut allowances. Press it. Let's sew the back now. First you mark the darts according to the pattern. Then you can pin and stitch with a smooth seam. Then we press the darts to the center of the back. After that we need to insert the zipper, so we use the tape interfacing. Then we stitch our middle seam. We stitch the seam, overlock it, and press all our seams and cut allowances. Let's start sewing in the zipper. Stitch one part of the zipper to the back, placing the zipper to the front side of the central card. Then stitch the other side and press the zipper. You can pin the edge of the zipper to the seam allowance. Now we are going to zigzag stitch shoulder seams. If you use knitted fabric too, reinforce the shoulder seam with a silicone tape. Here we have our shoulder seams done. Then we pin and zigzag stitch our side seams along the notches. And now we place notches along the neck, pin the band and stitch it. We should press our band and top stitch it. Our neckline is done. Armholes can be done the same way with the same bands. And the final step is the bottom of the dress. Share your works and don't forget to like or subscribe to our channel and watch other videos we've made. Goodbye!